Hi everyone! You are probably sick of exchanging your SodaStream CO2 cartridges all the time and paying a lot of money for it. Today I show you how you can use a CO2 tank with your SodaStream and save money. All you need is a CO2 tank, which comes in different sizes, and an adapter hose. They are not very expensive. Check out the links in the description for some recommendations. The adapter hose comes with everything you need to connect it to the SodaStream machine and the CO2 tank, except for the wrench. Connecting the adapter hose to a CO2 tank is pretty easy and only takes a few seconds. Just make sure you tighten it with a wrench. It's also pretty easy to connect the adapter hose to your SodaStream machine. You just have to screw in the connector and attach the hose. And that's it. Now you can enjoy fresh sparkling water with or without your favorite flavors at a fraction of the cost. Please click thumbs up if this video was helpful and share it with your friends and family so they can also save money. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments or just want to tell us about your savings, and subscribe for more videos.